Hello friends, my name is Mrigen Singh and you're watching Premium Crazy 11 YouTube channel. So today I will give you a honest review on TrafficCloud.co. In this video I will tell you what is TrafficCloud.co and how does it will be work. Before that we have to proceed our video. Remember that you have to subscribe my YouTube channel and smash that like button if you really like this video. So basically I want to tell you what is Traffic Cloud. Here you have clearly seen that Traffic Cloud is a brand new traffic solution that lets you create unlimited engaging visual posts and share them on 6 different social networking platforms to siphon 100% free bias traffic in just a few clicks. If you want to get unlimited traffic in your blogs, then you are paying so much money in advertising partners. Here you can get free bias traffic in just a few clicks. Before that we have to proceed our video. Let's talk what is Traffic Cloud. Traffic Cloud is a breakthrough software that solves major traffic problems by driving 100% free viral traffic without paying any cost. Here you will be get 100% free viral traffic from 6 different social media giants, which is Twitter, LinkedIn, Blogger, Tumblr and Pinterest and Imgur. It allows users to create or edit unlimited posts from its massive collection of visual assets, image, quotes, GIF. Make them clickable by embedding your links and sharing them across all 6 social network platforms with just a few clicks. Without doing so much effort, without paying so much money, you can just simply click and then your post will be ready and you will be get free 100% free viral traffic, which most of the buyers will come in your blogger indirectly. Those engaging clickable posts acts as a traffic magnet that stands out and get desired clicks. Effectively drivers users to your sites offer and turn them into potential customers. Means that if you send them a traffic 100%, then only 2% 3% buyers will be getting buyers in your blog. Here you can get only buy this software and get all the traffics will be free, and here you have conversion rate will be very high without paying any ads. Here you have clearly seen that Traffic Cloud advantages was paying for ads without paying any money. Here you can get Traffic Cloud. Hiring a social media manager. If you want to run any advertisement in Facebook or in Google, then you have to hire a social media manager or any member to hire and advertise your blog. So here you have clearly seen that social media manager painfully slow SEO, doing all the manual labor yourself. If you doesn't want Traffic Cloud, then you can do manually to run your advertisement. But if you buy this software, here you can do only click and your ad will be going live and your ad will be showing in 6 different places. Basically here it comes jam packed with these cutting edge features. 4 billion plus images plus 20k GIFs with post creator to create ultra engaging post that gets 1200 plus searchable viral quotes in 13 different categories to create compiling post in a minute without wasting so much of time. You can create campaigns in a minute and you get unlimited free traffic in just a few seconds without paying any cost. Make your post clickable by embedding links into them and drive traffic directly to your offer sites. Means that here you have clearly seen that you can post any image and then you can paste a link in that image, so that anyone that click on that image, then it can be diverted indirectly into your blog or in your websites. From right inside dashboard shares unlimited posts instantly across social network or schedule to share later. Get detailed analytics of shared campaigns to get a clear picture of what getting results. Here you have clearly seen that lots of benefits you will be getting over here. I doesn't want to talk doesn't want to read everything, and if I read this, everything will be, if I reading this in this video, then the video timing will be going very much, and video will be very long. So that I will give a link in the description. You can click over here and you will be directly come to this page. Here Traffic Cloud, watch a quick watch through a video. I can give you a part 1 video where the demo will be showing how this software will be working over here and how you can work over here if you buy this software. I will give you a part 1 in the link in the description. You can go over and click and see how does it work. Here the list will be Adyor Miraculous Traffic Cloud Click Traffic Solution period. This offer is unique and your list will love what they are getting. Here you have seen that what 4 figures, just a single email for some of our previous offers. Here he has saying that about our offers and what getting benefits in this in this software. Interesting funnels here, 2 billion plus searchable image, 20k plus searchable GIS, viral post creator to create or edit unlimited posts, advanced automation using keywords, make all your posts clickable while embedding links, one click instant shared on Red Hot, Twitter, LinkedIn and Blogger without doing so much effort. You can just simply click one link and your post will be already posted in Twitter, LinkedIn and Blogger at the same time. Schedule post to share anytime in the future. Detailed analytics report providing the exact number of likes and comments you receive and so much more. Here you have to clearly see that there are 2 OTOs that you have to get this software. First will be for personal use and second will be for your affiliate use. I will say you that here 2 billion plus additional search image. I have already talked about this, and here you have to clearly see that it will be personal use and agency rights. Here in personal use you can get 7 extra fast action bonuses if you buy this software. By clicking the link in the description you will get 7 extra bonuses. Bonus 1 will be WooCommerce membership secret and bonus 2 will be simple social expandable. Bonus 3 will be social media automation. Bonus 4 will be social media manager 2.0. Bonus 5 will be Presoscope for entrepreneurs. So bonus 6 will be social messaging apps for marketers video upgrade. Bonus 7 will be peak productivity video upgrade. Here you have clearly getting over here in OTO 1. If you buy a pack for OTO 2, then here you have clearly seen that resell rights allowed one to sell Traffic Cloud as their own and keep 100% of the profits. It means that you can clearly buy this software and you can resell to anybody, and what the benefits you will be getting over here your profit will be 100% for you, only for you. Here extra 7 fast action bonuses you will be also getting over here. Turbo dynamic URL Shopify traffic, keyword research Ninja 2.0, sales funnel optimization strategies, video upgrade, backlinks analyzer softwares, modern niche marketing video upgrades, undercover make money method software. Here you have clearly seen that so much of the benefits you will be getting over here if you buy this software. Top converting product, customer appreciate our stuff, support your back and call, all the tools you need, super low refunds, lot of cash delivery to you. If you buy this software, here some of the quick examples that here you have clearly seen that low refund rates for our high quality products, low refund rate. Here you have clearly seen that, and here he has given some of the screenshots. We guaranteed to push our hard your license back. Here you have clearly seen that some of the profitable screenshots given over here. Check out the contest below, and if you want this software, if you want to more about this software, the link will be given in the description. You can go and click only the link and you will be visited to this page and you will read a lot. I hope you can. I hope you understand my this video, and I will meet you in next video. This was my third or fourth video for reviewing the software, so that I am a little bit hesitate to making a video, or a little bit nervous in front of the camera, but it will be okay when I am coming regularly in front of you. I hope you like this video, and I will meet you in next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.